Imagine being 96 years old, standing in a kitchen that has seen the passage of nearly a century, smelling the familiar aroma of pimento and Scotch bonnet pepper. You have lived through the transition of Jamaica from a British colony to a proud independent nation in 1962. You have survived hurricanes, political shifts, and the arrival of technology you never asked for. You've raised 10 children, dozens of grandchildren, and more great-grandchildren than you can count on both hands, all on a diet of hard work, ground provisions, and a faith that could move the Blue Mountains. You've moved to Miami a few years ago to live with your daughter, and then suddenly, without ever touching a smartphone or knowing what an algorithm is, the entire world knows your name and your face. In a digital landscape dominated by 20-somethings, filtered photos, and manufactured drama, one Jamaican woman has done the impossible by simply being herself. She didn't have a professional lighting crew, a script, or a high-end marketing agency. All she had was a weathered wooden spoon, a pot of steaming ackee and saltfish, and a voice that carries the weight and wit of the entire Caribbean. With over 50 million views across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, she has become an overnight global sensation. Today, we are diving deep into the incredible, heartwarming, and somewhat chaotic rise of Jamaica's oldest global superstar, the woman the internet has dubbed Miss Aileen. We're going to look at exactly how she did it, why her message is resonating from Tokyo to Toronto, and why the world is currently obsessed with the wisdom and tracing of our Jamaican grandmothers. If you want more videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel right now. It will really help the channel grow. Plus, you will be notified when we release more content like this in the future. Before the likes and the viral shares, Miss Aileen lived a life of quiet dignity in the lush, red dirt hills of St. Elizabeth. Her story is the story of the foundation of Jamaica. She represents a generation that didn't know what a follower count was because they were too busy following the seasons to ensure the crops were harvested. She spent her days farming the land, bleaching clothes on the river stones to get them white, and keeping a massive family together with nothing but discipline and love. To her, a video was something you watched on a rare occasion at a community center, not something you starred in while seasoned flour was still on your hands. But then came her grandson, Dwayne. Like so many Jamaican youths in 2026, Dwayne was never without his phone, always looking for a moment to capture. One typical Sunday morning, while Miss Aileen was in the middle of a legendary tracing, reprimanding Dwayne for not waking up early enough for church and spending too much time on the internet thing, Dwayne hit the record button. He didn't think much of it. He just wanted to show his friends how his grandmother could deliver a lecture that was both terrifying and hilariously poetic. He uploaded the clip with the simple caption, "Grandma is not playing today," and went to sleep. By the time he woke up, the video had been shared 500,000 times. By the end of the week, that number had climbed into the millions. There is a science to why Miss Aileen went viral so quickly, and it goes far beyond just being funny. The first element is pure, unadulterated authenticity. In a world of AI-generated influencers and scripted reality shows, Miss Aileen is 100% real. When she rolls her eyes at a stupid question or kisses her teeth when the pot isn't boiling fast enough, people feel that truth. The second element is the deep sense of nostalgia she triggers. For the Jamaican diaspora living in the cold winters of London, the crowded streets of New York, or the suburbs of Toronto, Miss Aileen isn't just a stranger on a screen. She is their grandmother. She is the voice of the woman who sent them care packages filled with hard dough bread, tasty cheese, and ginger biscuits. She is a living connection to a home they might not have visited in years, a reminder of the roots that keep them grounded. Then, there is the patois effect. Jamaican patois is arguably the most influential dialect on the planet, carrying a rhythm and a power that transcends language barriers. When she says those words, she isn't just speaking. She is performing a masterclass in Caribbean expression. Whether you are from Kingston or Kentucky, you understand the emotion behind that phrase. As the views grew, so did the opportunities. It wasn't long before international news outlets and global brands started taking notice. Imagine a woman who still remembers the day Jamaica got its own flag, now being courted by global kitchenware brands to show off her seasoning technique, or being flown first class by Caribbean Airlines to be a guest of honor at a tourism gala. She has effectively become a cultural ambassador, proving that you are never too old to level up or reinvent yourself. But through all the fame, Miss Aileen remains unchanged. In one follow-up video, Dwayne asked her how it felt to be a superstar, to which she simply replied, "Superstar? What you talking about? Go pick some lime juice and stop the noise." This refusal to be impressed by the glitter of the digital world only made her more lovable. She has shown the world that there is a specific kind of Jamaican excellence that doesn't come from a university degree or a corporate office, but from a lifetime of resilience, humor, and sharp wit. Beyond the entertainment value, the rise of Miss Aileen serves as a powerful reminder to all of us, especially those in the diaspora, that our stories and our elders are a gold mine of wisdom. She has sparked a movement where younger Jamaicans are now recording their own grandparents, capturing recipes that were never written down, and stories of an old Jamaica that are slowly fading away. She is a reminder that we are small in size, but mighty in impact. Her success is a victory for every grandmother who ever washed out a grandson for being worthless, and for every woman who built a life out of nothing. As we watch her navigate this new world of 2026, we see a bridge being built between the old school and the new school.
I hope I see you again. It was nice meeting you. I can't believe I met you.
Kids.
So, what do you think of Miss Aileen's incredible journey to the top of the social media world? Does she remind you of someone in your own family? Does she make you want to call your grandmother right now? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have a favorite Miss Aileen moment or a catchphrase that stuck with you, drop a comment to show your support. Don't forget to like this video. If you're proud of our Jamaican culture, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the news and people shaping the island and the diaspora, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. As we always say, stay connected, stay proud, and walk good. Thanks for watching, and click the link on screen right now to watch another interesting Jamaican content. Catch you in the next video.